welcome to another episode of Cooking with Carlina. As you can tell, we're not in the kitchen this time because we're outside. It's about to get hot in here because I am grilling chicken kebabs. Are y'all ready? Let's get started. Okay, so first for my kebabs, I marinated some chicken breast. I'm just gonna put that in here, and I just wanted you guys to do that so you can do it along with me. So here is the chicken breast, which I cut up in little small square cubes, right? Because you want them to be able to go on 2 skewers when you're doing your kebabs. Okay, this is some seasoning salt that I'm putting on right now. I have my parsley. Woo. This weather is fantastic. Some crushed red chili peppers. We have some pepper, basil, and then this is what you really want to make sure you get is some olive oil because this is what's going to help your chicken breast marinate. So you just put a little bit in there. What you're going to do is mix it up and let it marinate for about 1 hour. So we're gonna put the kebabs together. I usually prefer 2 skewers because it gives it less chances of rolling around on your grill. So with your meat, you usually want it towards the top or the middle because the thicker the pieces, the faster it'll cook. The hottest part of your grill is towards the back, giving you just like a little bit of insider. So I have some zucchini here that I'm gonna start with on the bottom. We have some different bell peppers. I picked various different colors because, you know, when you're eating kebabs, you want it to be very colorful. The reason I'm grilling today is, number one, you, the fans, asked for me to grill, and so here I am delivering. But also, this is something I always did, which is really fun with my family. We would always fire up the grill, you know, for the summer and make kebabs together and do some salmon. All right, so I'm gonna put the chicken here on the skewers. Like I said, this one's like kind of like in the middle, right? Because the back of your grill, this is gonna be towards the top of your grill, which is the hottest part. So you definitely want your meat there. Just reiterating that. I have some mushrooms. So what we have on here is onion, squash, zucchini, different color bell peppers to add some color to it, and marinated chicken breast. Some of you are asking, can I use beef? Yes, can I just use all vegetables? Vegetarians, why are you watching? No, I'm just kidding. Yes, you can put all vegetables on there. You know, this is like you having fun. So right now I have, you know, I'm gonna end with this chicken breast on the top here. Looks really cool. I did 3 already, so, and I have some corn on the cob. We're about to head over to the grill, y'all. Let's do it. Your grill needs to be about 450 to 550 degrees. What you're gonna do is you just put your skewers directly on there. Look at that, woo, hot. If you have a rack, which is what I usually prefer putting on the rack, so that way like you can kind of turn it a little bit easier, but if you don't have a rack, it's good. You just get your tongs and you just turn it, you're gonna watch it cook. Usually, you know, with chicken, you want it to be no pink or red in the inside. That's how you know when it's cooked. So I'm just like watching it and turning it and making sure everything's good. All right, while this is grilling, oh my gosh, those mushrooms look bomb. Got you over here, yeah. I love to hear that sizzle. It just knows, that's how you know you're ready. And people, you know, for those of you who are like, women don't grill, we do. I mean, it took me and my crew a little bit to figure out how to start the grill, but we figured it out. It doesn't always have to be the man at the grill. This is why I'm doing this, to show you like, you could be at the grill too. You know what, speaking of the grill, I have some corn on the cob here. I'm from the South, so, you know, I have some butter. It's already been sitting in butter. So like when you bite into the kernel, it's gonna be nice and juicy. But what I'm gonna add to it is, I like seasoning salt. I just like to like, put it on the side and you just roll it. You know, in the tin, you just roll it. I got some aluminum foil here. And you're just gonna wrap it. And I'm just gonna, this is what you do. You just throw it on the grill. That's it. That's it. You just throw it on the grill, let it do its thing. Some of these you can even move. A little up. I'm just moving them up a little bit. Like you said, you know, the hottest part of the grill is towards the back. Your corn, you kind of want it in the middle. It's starting to look good. This is so good. This is so good. I think we got a little bit more, like got about like another 4 or 5 minutes on these babies and they should be done. I like that. That's what I want to see right here. A little bit of char, you know what I mean? Let's do another side of it. Oh, like that. Y'all see that? You see that? That's what I'm talking about right there. Look at that. Like everyone's like, I don't like char, grill, blah, blah, blah. If you don't like grill, don't grill. Bake your stuff. And if y'all are baking kebabs, I don't know what to say, stop. Y'all, this is my happy food dance. You know why? Because these kebabs are done. Oh my gosh, wait, hold up. We gotta get a close up of this. Look how beautifully charred they are all around the sides. We have a beautiful plate display right here, looking like a flower. I'm gonna put both of these here. This corn, I put it directly on the grill. And remember, I added seasoning, salt, and some butter. So I'm gonna put that directly right here. It has that nice charred look. For this recipe, go to my website, www.cookingwithcarlina.com. Thank you guys so much for being fantastic fans and asking me to grill. This is a lot of fun. I'm gonna be grilling some more this summer. Like, I am so excited. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys for being the best fans ever. All right, bye foodies.